The removal of the old windows and the replacement of the new ones is like the room is night and day. Literally, both the cooling and heating. I mean, we just don't feel the heat.
I could feel the difference the first day before they even sealed the windows. I came downstairs and it was warmer. And this is, first day of December.
It made a difference the very first day that they were installed.
Definitely noticeable. I mean, from the elements of heating and comfort, it was actually something to look forward to coming home.
I spend more time down here now.
Having a place where you're comfortable coming home to is most important to us and our family. We want somewhere where the kids feel at home as well. This is where you make your memories.
We were thrilled, absolutely thrilled that those windows were in because we got a cold snap and we were warm, It was great.
The heating bill being opened the first time after the new windows was put in was an incredible shock. I had expected some type of difference, but not what we saw.
We didn't realize how bad it was until we put in the Renewal by Andersen windows. And then we found out what we've been missing all these years.